You a rock star?
On, Mommy.
You a rock star?
Mommy, on.
Careful.
Mommy, on. Say, Mommy.
You sing.
Everybody.
Go ahead, sing it.
Mommy.
Oh, that's sexy. Who's sexy?
Mommy, on.
What?
Mommy, on.
You gonna sing me a good song?
Yeah.
What? I didn't hear no song. Here, play it for Mama.
This song.
What was it? A good song?
Everybody. This song.
That wasn't a good song. I didn't hear no song.
This song. That's hard.
I didn't hear no good song.
This song.
Alright, let me hear you sing. Okay.
Mommy. Mommy, on. Peter.
Quit! You're hitting that thing everywhere. Poor guitar don't like you.
Part like me.
It don't like you.
This tar. No. This tar.
It's so big, huh? Go ahead, sing Mommy a song.
This tar.
Now.
Here, Mommy.
That's a good song. I like it. Is that a Mama song? What are you going to tell Mama?
Sing too.
You want me to sing too?
Sing too. Let's do it.
Sing it, Nate Dog. You want me to turn it on?
The best I can.
There you go. Now sing it. Play your guitar.
Hey.
Go ahead, sing it. Go ahead. Play it. Sing Mommy a song. Play it right. Tell my mother. Play it right. There you go. Put your hand underneath there. There you go. Play it. There you go. Go ahead. That's not the way you pay it. You're being lazy. I don't want to hear you sing anyway.
I farted.
What? You farted? That nasty, Nate.
I farted.
Is that your new song? Don't do that.
I farted.
Is that your new song?
Yeah.
That's not a cool song. Hey, hey, farted. That's not a cool song. Nobody likes Hey, Hey, Farted. That nasty. That nasty, Nate.
Hi, Mommy. Hey.
What? What?
Pass it there, Mommy.
Okay, let's play it right. Let's turn around.
On, Mommy.
I help it. Okay, ready?
I'm doing the best I can. Tell my mother,
to show a vacuum can be a guitar too. Future rock star right there. Sing it. Tell your mother what? Tell my mother.
This song, Mommy.
Careful.
This song. Done. This song.